Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw data from Stripe dashboard detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Stripe account by visiting the Stripe dashboard website. Enter your credentials and click on the sign in button to access your account. Once inside the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu. Locate the section labeled Payments and click on it. Here, you will see a list of all your transactions. To view more details about a specific transaction, click on that transaction. You can see important data such as the amount, customer details, and payment status. If you need to export transaction data, look for the Export button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Export button to view the available export options. Choose the format you prefer, such as CSV or Excel. After selecting your preferred format, specify the date range for the data you want to withdraw. You can choose from predefined ranges or set a custom range. Once you've made your selections, click the Download button. The system will start generating your report. You will receive a notification once your report is ready for download. Click on the notification or go back to the Payments section to find your report. Download the file to your computer. Now, open the file using your preferred spreadsheet application. You can analyze the data, filter results, or create summaries as needed. If you require customer data, go to the Customers section in the left-hand menu. Select a customer's name to view their transaction history. For specific data on subscriptions, click on the Subscriptions section. Follow similar steps to export any subscription-related data. Make sure to regularly review your reports for better financial insights. And that's how you withdraw data from the Stripe dashboard effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.